Hello everyone, my name is Mahate. I'm from China. Now I'm studying in the Master's degree of Public Administration in Nazarbayev University. All the courses in this university taught in English. Our teachers and guiders are very excellent professors and scholars from around the world. The students in our MPA program are top management positions in different areas of Kazakhstan, including the government organization, national companies, as well as there are some excellent international students who also have many years of working experience. We always attend different kinds of activities, attend lectures from the key figures from society, and we enjoy our study very much. I think I'm lucky to study the MPA program here.